My name is Jaiwanja, head girl of Gesiaga High School, and I'd like to say that on behalf of others, of my fellow students, to other students, that the real reason we are here is about condemning these things about strikes and fires that has been going on among schools. We as Gesiaga High School, we did the math and saw how big of a burden or how big of a loss our principal would have undergone if we decided to do such a rational thing. When we decide to ban the schools, the loss of infrastructure that the principal will have suffered was so big. And so we decided that we are here to learn. We came to school to learn, not to strike to go home. Going home is not the solution, and it will never be the solution. And that's all I like to say to other students out there who would maybe decided to go home and not to learn. I'd like to tell you, please, that's not the solution, and it will never be the solution. Go back to school. 4 years isn't that much of a period. It's just a few years, and let's learn. It is a burden to parents knowing that, oh, my child is going to come home and I don't even know where I'm going to start. Is he or she going to learn while she's at home? Is he or she going to do something that's productive while they are at home? So I'd like to say that students out there, don't give your parents stress. They are already trying hard enough to do things for you. They are trying hard enough to look for school fees and to look for other basic needs. Let's not give them that much of a stress to them. To be honest with you, once I heard that people were going home, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I was actually kind of shocked, surprised. I didn't expect it to spread as much to, let's say, it started from Utumishi, right? So it went as far to many schools, and furthermore, our Kisii schools here around Kisii Nyamira, they have been affected. So my take on this, I was shocked, to be honest with you, and I really condemn it so much. Because it's not just a stress to your parents, it's also a stress to the teachers, the principals, and many other people out there. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to say that as the Students' Council, we didn't lie down on the problem. We took action, and the action that we took, we ensured that we went through each and every class. Every class expressed how they felt about it, and I'd like to say, to be honest with you guys, the whole school was 100% truthful. They didn't want to go home. Most of them understood their family background, and we, as the representative of the student body, we took that step and went and told our principal and our deputy principals about what the students want. The students had something, like, let's say, for example, we had entertainment a few days back. Yes, we came here to school to learn, but there is something that needs to help us to have fun, let's say, to keep us busy somehow. So we suggested for entertainment, and we had entertainment in our school. That it gave the students encouragement. What's the point of going home? Let's just stay in school. And all the students decided that we are going to stay in school, and so they stayed. We decided to stay here and learn because we saw 2 weeks. 2 weeks, that's not a long period of time. It's just a few days. We took it just like a few days we'll be at home. So we decided, let's stay here. And parents out there who lost their loved ones, who lost their children, to be honest with you, I'd like to sympathize with you guys and give my full condolences. As Gesiaga High School, we'd like to say sorry to all those the bereaved people. Please accept our condolences from Gesiaga to you guys out there. Take heart and know that wherever those students are, wherever those children are, they are currently wishing that they'll be with you, and they are always in your heart. Their memories will always imprinted in your brain, your heart, and your mind. So please take heart, and we are really sorry.
What is that one thing that you would advise them rather than touching on schools?
Students out there who are currently facing problems, challenges that they feel they can't talk about it to other people, I'm really sure most of the schools have guidance and counseling departments. So seek the nearest guidance and counseling teacher and ensure that you tell them your problems, your challenges, or maybe if you don't feel like you can trust a guidance and counselor or maybe any teacher, please seek a close friend to you who you can talk to, or maybe get access to a phone and express your feelings or express what you have in your heart towards your parents. The main solution is not touching the school. Just speak out. We are here to listen. There are friends, families, teachers out there who will listen to you.